In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to create a Facebook gaming page. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to go into your Facebook app. Either you can go on your mobile, of course, or you can also do this on your computer. And then what you're going to do is to firstly click on the three lines in the bottom right corner. For me, it's in the bottom right corner, but for you it might be in the top right corner instead, just so you know. So I'm just going to click on the three lines, and now I should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. And now I'm going to click where it says create new profile or page, as you can see. And then it should take us to this page. Now I'm going to actually click on public page right here, as you can see. Then I'm going to click on next. Then I'm going to click on get started. And now we have to actually give the name of our page. So you need to now write the exact name of your Facebook gaming page. So for example, test gaming, as you can see, and now I'm going to click on next. And then we should now be taken to this page. Now in categories, we're going to actually search for gaming in here, as you can see. We can actually have gaming video creator, as you can see, video game, and so on. But for example, we can take gaming video creator for this one, as you can see. You can even have gamer in here as well. And yeah, there's a lot of categories that you can have in here, as you can see, that you can actually search for, and then we can click on create. It's going to take a couple of seconds for us to actually get to the next page, just so you know. It might actually load a couple of seconds, and then perfectly, as you can see, we should now be taken here. You can actually add the name, the bio of your Facebook page, the website, email address, phone number, location, if you have one, basically. And if you don't, you can just click on next. And I'm going to click on next once again. Let's see if we can actually get to our page. And as you can see, yeah, I have now switched to test gaming, and this is now my Facebook page. So this is basically exactly how to create a Facebook gaming page.